Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. All right, let's pause for the helicopter. April and Eric, there are many events over the past years that led you to here today. Both moments as a pair and moments on your own. Both big moments and tiniest moments. And today you're deepening your connection with your marriage. With the promises made today, making even stronger the foundation on which you will build the rest of your life. A life shared with someone you love so deeply. I believe that one of the keys to a solid foundation and one that grows deeper and stronger with time is acknowledging where we've been together, what we've been through together, and truly what we have together. And marking moments in life, big and small, are a great way to acknowledge this. So today we launch your marriage in such a sweet, intimate, fitting way, away from the hustle and bustle of the world. A lifetime bond, a lifelong embrace. But marriage is also about the little things. The warming smile that your partner gives you when you most need it, like right now. The hug that calms your nerves and the laughter that lightens the moment. And of course, the connection lets you know you are not in this alone. Marriage is committing not only to a lifetime together, but to be there for the other person at any moment, to provide the support the other person needs. Marriage is a bond created on a single day that is renewed every day afterward through thought and action.
Stay light.
Now you're gonna go forward and squeeze. Break here.
This is a piece called The Key to Love. The key to love is understanding, as it's the little things that say so much by themselves. The key to love is forgiveness, to accept each other's faults and pardon mistakes. The key to love is sharing and facing your good fortunes as well as the bad together, both conquering problems, forever searching for ways to intensify your happiness. The key to love is giving without thought of return, but with the hope of just a simple smile, and by giving in, but never giving up. The key to love is respect, realizing you are two separate people with different ideas. As you don't belong to each other, you belong with each other and share a mutual bond. The key to love is inside us all. It takes time and patience to unlock all the ingredients that will take it to its threshold. It's a continual learning process that demands a lot of work, but the rewards are more than worth the effort. That is the key to love. To April and Eric, you come before us pledging your love and your hearts to one another. May you be ever true and loving. May you fill your hearts with kindness and understanding. Forgive each other's weaknesses and laugh together often. May you be friends, companions, and partners, continuing to meet the joys and cares of life as one. And as the years pass and you enter the next chapter in your life together, may your love continue to deepen and mature. And may your home be truly a place of love, warmth, and joy. Please remember, happily ever after is not a fairy tale, it's actually a choice. So today you have spoken the promises for your life together, and you have sealed the vows of the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, it is my honor to say that you are now officially, and we can refer to you, as you've already been in your hearts, forever joined, committed in life and love, but also now husband and wife. So, Eric, you may now.
Some kind
about your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Wide awake and
So we wanted to just answer some quick questions and do a little Q&A at the end. And first question is, what did you think of our reception?
I thought the reception was above and beyond my expectations. I thought it went really well. I loved that it was really intimate with our friends and family, and I don't know, that was really awesome. I really liked it.
Yeah, I felt like we both had so much fun. I just remember waking up the next morning and knowing that it was a good time. Do you have any regrets or anything you would have done differently?
Honestly, I don't think that I really regretted anything about it. I don't know, I just really enjoyed it. It was kind of like just, we're here, we gotta go with the flow with things. We gotta do this, we gotta enjoy our time together with family and friends, and I don't think I really regretted anything, honestly. What about you?
I regretted not hiring a hairstylist because my sisters both did my hair and it didn't look too bad, but it was really stressful. Oh my God. They didn't really know what I wanted, so I was trying to explain to them, and we were watching videos and replaying the video over and over again. And, in the end, we kind of just had to work with what we got. And it turned out, it wasn't bad, but as you guys saw towards the end, it did fall apart. So that's something I would do differently. Oh, also, we would have the DJ play more slow songs.
All right, so what was the first thing you had to decide on before planning can begin?
So the first decision I had to make was the venue before I can decide on anything else, like what kind of dresses I wanted my bridesmaids in and what kind of dress I wanted to make myself. And originally we were going to do a bigger celebration, but things changed. We already eloped last year. So this year we just wanted to do something small with our friends and family. So we opted for this super chic but smaller venue in downtown San Diego called Luce Loft. All right, the next question is, what was our favorite investment and the best thing we spent our money on? And for me, it was hiring a month of wedding coordinator. We loved our wedding coordinator, Kristana Marie Events, and throughout this process, I feel like I realized how important it was to have one, just because she kept us organized and on track. She brought a lot of things to our attention that we didn't think of, like having cloth table napkins at the table so the table setting wouldn't look so empty. Yeah. Because we were having such a laid-back reception, we were I don't know, being so whatever about it. At this point, we just
Yeah.
wanted our reception to be over with. It's felt like we've been planning it for so long.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
weren't really thinking about little details like that. But she did mention it would be a good idea. And I'm glad we did because the DJ ended up using them for our grand entrance.
When the newlyweds come in, we're going to do this. Alright, so we're going to give a practice one. Make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Moore. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
DJ Artistic did a really good job with keeping the crowd going, keeping the energy going, you know, and he was a great host. He was a great MC.
Our favorite, the most epic part of the reception was when the party began, the dancing began, because he asked all of our guests to come down on the dance floor, and then he said on the count of 3, say, "This is how we do it."
This is how we do it. 3, 2, 1.
No one saw that coming, not even us. So it was a really fun surprise and a great way to get the party started. Oh, also, photographer is a really great investment as well. Jenny Tai was our photographer again. She shot our elopement photos last year, and we decided we love them so much that we decided to print them out for our guest book at the welcome table. And oh, where is that at actually? So this is our guest book. The front and back cover is a photo that she took of the sunset at our elopement last year, and then we just have our name on it, and some of the pages have white spaces for people to sign. And the photos just look amazing.
Yeah.
We cannot wait to get our reception photos back from her.
Yep.
Oh, let me turn to everyone's favorite page.
Everyone's favorite page right here.
Right here, this spread right here. So many people signed this page. Next question, what did we have for dinner?
We had Hawaiian barbecue for dinner.
Yeah. Do you remember eating that? Actually, I
ate the
remember
whole-
you eating it.
I ate my whole plate because dude, we got up in the morning, we didn't eat anything, you know, and like the whole day we're kind of just like going with the flow. And then I got to dinner, I was like, I gotta eat this.
I cannot eat when there's a party. I don't know. I just can't eat. I'm just too stressed. I'm just thinking about too many things. So I try to eat, but I don't think I ate that much.
Yeah.
All right. What was our first dance song? So I was on TikTok, and then I saw Brent Morgan's version of Kiss the Girl from The Little Mermaid, and it was just so perfect with our love story that we were gonna share there.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know, we had to do Kiss the Girl. I think this might be the last question. Did anything go wrong?
No, not really.
I don't think anything went wrong. It went pretty smoothly.
Yeah, it did.
I think the only thing that went wrong is our grand entrance when Eric forgot how
my
to do our
God.
little routine. We didn't practice that much, okay?
No, dude, I was super nervous. I don't know. I forgot like what to do, and I was just waving at people.
And just my hair falling apart towards the end, and no one fixed it for me. But
But no.
but no, nothing went wrong. I think it went pretty smoothly. No complaints from both of us.
No complaints at all.
It was so awesome, and now it feels so good being on the other end of things.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it was stressful.
Yep.
And we're so happy to get it out of the way. And it was a lot of fun seeing everyone together.
Oh my God.
It was amazing.
It was super fun. I love that. I love that it was like one of like the bigger, what is it? The bigger, I don't know, what is that? What is that? I'm trying to look for it right now, man.
I almost forgot this quilt right here on the couch was a gift from my 2 sewing moms, and it makes me so happy that they were both able to make it that night to celebrate with us. They made this quilt together and even sent me some behind the scenes photos. And my favorite part ever is this little corner that they embroidered a little message to me. It says, "Fashion daughter, marriage blessings with so much love, Kay and Kathy, October 2021. Thank you so much to Miss Miller and Miss Kathy for taking the time to make this beautiful quilt that I'm going to cherish forever. I love you guys. All right, thank you all so much for watching. We hoped you enjoyed watching this as much as we did. I was smiling the whole time. I'm the one that edited it, but I was smiling the whole time I was editing the video, and we're so happy to to be able to share this special moment in our lives with all of you as well. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.